Now that we have a completed tag list, we can start collecting data from the OPC server and sending it to the Canary Historian. We can start the data collection process by selecting the play button to the right of the selected session. I can also start the data collection process by moving over to the Status tab. Now inside of the Status tab, there are different panels of session information. So the top session panel shows session statistics related to all active sessions. Now clicking the down arrow will change the panel to show the session options. So this is where we can stop or start all of the sessions at once. The bottom session panel shows information related to the selected session. So I'll go ahead and select our current session, and you can see the information appears here in the panel. So I will go ahead and start the session by clicking the play button. And now that the session has started, we can go to the historian and make sure our data set is receiving the data. So we'll open up our historian tile. And here is our Canary Training Academy data set. Here's our 34 tags that are being written, and we know that it's actively writing based on the updates. And I can drill into our data set, and we can see our very first daily file. Every night at midnight, there'll be a new file that rolls over. So tonight at midnight, there'll be another file here for April the 16th. Now I can drill down into this daily file, and we can see here's our 34 tags from the tag list we had created over in the OPC collector. So I can select any tag on the list. Now I can see we have our live updates coming into the historian. We store the updates as a TVQ, a timestamp, a value, and a quality. And we'll discuss the structure of our historian database in an upcoming video. But now I can see we have the data coming in. So we'll go back to our OPC collector. So I'm going to actually drill down into this session. And the next level below that will show us any of the groups we've created for that session. So we just had the group 1 session with our 34 tags. And I can take a look at the tag list by drilling in to the next level. So we see our tag list just like it appeared in the OPC configuration tab, except now we can see the live values, the timestamps, the value and quality, even the type of tag on our list. So in the value column, we see we're getting our live values that are being written into the historian. Now I can even filter this list. So maybe this list is rather lengthy and I want to just check on a particular tag. I can just start typing in the name, and there we found our frequency tag. I can also modify this grid with the Modify Grid button here on the upper right. So if I want to exclude certain columns of information from the filter tags field here, I can uncheck that column and we won't be able to filter the list by that particular column. Same way at the bottom, if I don't want to see a particular column, let's say I don't want to see the deadband column, I can uncheck that, and now our deadband column has been removed.